Binance just released a simple version of their mobile app called Binance Lite. This Lite version can be used by any beginner to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency in the simplest way possible. You can buy with a debit card, or you can fund your account from your bank account, just like you would fund your normal Binance account. I'll show you everything you need to know in this video. If you already have an account with Binance and the mobile app on your phone, you can switch to the Lite version with a flip of this switch. If you are new to Binance, follow these steps. Find the Binance app in your mobile app store and install it. Open the new installed app, and right away you'll be prompted to register. I prefer to share as little personal information as possible with any crypto-related company or service for privacy and security concerns. Too many times these companies failed to protect personal information of their customers, so I prefer to be cautious. That's why I don't recommend signing up with a phone number, so choose register with email. It's also a good idea not to use your personal day-to-day email address with these services. As a security measure, I recommend using a secondary email to sign up to these platforms. Add your email address and password, and don't forget the referral ID. You get 10% fee discount if you use the following code. You can copy it from the video's description below. Make sure you verify the code that was sent to your email, then skip the questionnaire or click on I'm a novice. This pop-up will appear for you to switch to the Lite version of the app. Click on Switch Now and the app will switch to Lite mode. You can easily switch between the Pro and Lite version by clicking on the icon on the top left corner of the screen, and the switch will be right there. You have a beginner's guide that you can go through, but I'm going to cover it all in this video. You won't be able to buy any cryptocurrency until you verify your account. Each level of verification will provide you with higher purchase and deposit limits. With the basic verification, you have a $300 total lifetime limit. So if you choose to only provide your full name, date of birth and address, you'll be able to buy up to $300 worth of crypto, and that's it. If you provide a copy of your passport or ID and the live face verification with a camera on your smartphone, you'll upgrade your account to using credit or debit cards up to $5,000 per day. The cheapest way to buy crypto is by funding your account with a bank transfer, except if you have to wire the money. Wire transfers are expensive and should be used only as a last resort. ACH deposits in the United States and SEPA deposits in Europe are free, and these are the cheapest options. To unlock bank deposits, you will have to upload an official document, such as a bank statement or utility bill, which states your name and address. So to complete your account, start the verification process. Follow the steps on the screen until finished. The basic verification should be instant, but more advanced verification can take a while. It could take even a few days, so you'll have to be patient. Once verified, you'll come back to the application and choose the asset you want to buy. Let's continue with Bitcoin. I will click on Buy at the bottom of the screen and then input the amount I want to buy. I can either input the amount in my local currency or in Bitcoin. To continue, click on the Buy BTC button. You can choose to either buy with the fiat balance or with a card. Fiat balance represents the funds you deposit from your bank account. For the card transaction, it says bank because you pay directly from your bank with a bank card. The prices are a bit different because of the different fee structure. Anywhere you buy crypto with a card, you'll pay more in fees. The price is available for 60 seconds, so be sure you refresh and agree with the new price before you can continue with the purchase. If you choose to pay with the card, you will have to enter your card details and then a confirmation box will appear. You can see here how much you pay for the convenience of using a card, in my case a bit over 2%. For the cheapest alternative, select the fiat balance, but you'll have to make a deposit first. For that, you will need the highest level of verification for your account. When you select to deposit funds, you will see all the available options. Depending on the currency you use, these are your choices. For USD, the deposits can be done on the website only using a wire transfer. These are the options for the British pound, and these ones for the Australian dollars. For Euro, the cheapest option is a SEPA bank transfer. After you added funds to your Binance account, you'll be able to use the fiat balance option. Once you bought some cryptocurrency, your funds will show up in the wallet section of the app. From here, you can withdraw or deposit more crypto. The only thing that I don't like about Binance is the high withdrawal fees, in case you want to withdraw your crypto to your own personal wallet. The middle button at the bottom of your screen is a shortcut to the main functionalities of the app. From here, you can choose to go to the buy screen, or in case you want to sell your crypto, to the sell screen. Also, there's a shortcut to deposit either fiat or other cryptocurrency. Lastly, you can convert any of the crypto you have to another supported cryptocurrency. For example, instead of taking profits in your local currency, which is a taxable event, you can convert your Bitcoin into a stablecoin like USDC, USDT or BUSD. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe only if you want to see more awesome content like this. Also, leave your questions in the comment section below and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. I'll see you in the next one.